Eco-friendly tech: how AI gadgets are revolutionizing sustainability. Introduction. In the face of climate change, the link between technology and sustainability is crucial. Imagine a future where your gadgets not only boost productivity but also help protect the planet. Today, we delve into AI-driven tech that is reshaping our approach to sustainability, why it matters with rising global temperatures and dwindling resources. The need for eco-friendly solutions is urgent. Consumers seek technology that reduces their carbon footprint while enhancing daily life. Sustainable gadgets like energy-efficient devices and AI tools for monitoring usage are essential for a greener future. By integrating these tools, we can minimize waste, conserve energy, and promote responsible consumption. Key insights. 1. Energy-efficient devices. Tech companies prioritize energy efficiency in product design. Smart home devices, such as thermostats and lights, adjust usage based on habits, lowering energy bills and carbon emissions. 2. AI monitoring tools. AI can analyze energy consumption patterns. Apps using AI suggest ways to reduce waste and make sustainable choices in daily tech usage. 3. Recycling initiatives. The rise of circular economies in tech production is significant. Companies are recycling materials from old gadgets to create new products, reducing electronic waste and the demand for raw materials. Innovations like modular laptops and reparable smartphones are leading the way. Practical steps. 1. Evaluate your tech. Assess your daily devices. Identify energy-hungry gadgets and consider energy-efficient replacements. 2. Use AI monitoring tools. Download apps that track your ecological footprint, monitoring energy use and suggesting waste reduction strategies. 3. Support sustainable brands. Research companies prioritizing sustainability when shopping for new gadgets, focusing on recycling and energy efficiency. Common mistakes to avoid: ignoring energy ratings. Always check energy ratings, like Energy Star certifications, to ensure eco-friendly purchases. Underestimating small changes. Small adjustments, such as switching to smart energy-saving devices, can lead to significant savings. Neglecting recycling. Properly recycle old gadgets. Many retailers offer recycling programs. Take advantage of these options. Conclusion. As we embrace a tech-driven future, let's ensure it supports sustainability. By adopting AI-driven gadgets, we can enhance productivity while protecting our planet. Explore eco-friendly tech options today and be part of the change. Call to action. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts on AI-driven sustainability in the comments below, and let's discuss how to make our tech choices greener. Green innovations. The future of AI-powered smart home devices. Introduction. Welcome back. Today, we're exploring the exciting intersection of technology and sustainability. As climate change awareness rises, consumers increasingly seek smart home devices that enhance daily life while protecting our planet. Let's discover how AI-driven innovations are shaping a sustainable future, why it matters. Integrating sustainability into technology is crucial as global temperatures rise and resources dwindle. AI-powered smart home devices offer energy-efficient solutions, reduce waste, and help track our ecological footprints. By adopting these innovations, we can collectively lower our carbon footprint and promote sustainable living. Key insights. 1. Energy management. AI devices optimize energy use. For instance, smart thermostats learn user habits, potentially reducing energy bills by 10 to 20. 2. Waste reduction. Companies focus on eco-friendly materials and recycling. Smart bins monitor waste levels and suggest recycling practices, significantly cutting landfill contributions. Point 3. Ecological monitoring. AI tools help track energy usage and carbon footprints. Apps connected to smart meters provide real-time data and actionable steps for improving energy efficiency. Practical actions. 1. Invest in smart thermostats. Choose models that learn your habits to save energy automatically. 2. Utilize smart hubs. Set up a hub to control devices and monitor energy usage in real time, enabling informed consumption decisions. 3. Adopt eco-friendly gadgets. Opt for devices made from sustainable materials and those with recycling programs to reduce ecological impact. Common pitfalls: over-reliance on automation. While AI streamlines processes, regularly check energy usage to ensure efficiency. Neglecting updates. Keep devices updated for optimal performance and access to the latest sustainability features. Conclusion: the future of smart home devices is about more than innovation, it's vital for a sustainable world. By embracing AI technology, we can enhance productivity while being mindful of our environmental impact. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Together, let's work towards a greener future. Tech for tomorrow, exploring AI tools that reduce your carbon footprint. Introduction. Welcome to Tech for Tomorrow. Today, we explore how innovative tech gadgets and AI tools are paving the way for a sustainable future. With climate change pressing, it's essential to adopt technology that boosts productivity while minimizing our environmental impact. Why it matters: as environmental awareness rises, consumers seek gadgets that align with their values. The tech industry significantly contributes to global carbon emissions, making it vital to invest in sustainable technology. Energy-efficient devices and AI solutions enhance our lives and promote a healthier planet. Key insights. 1. Energy-efficient devices. Modern gadgets are designed for lower power consumption without sacrificing performance. For example, smart thermostats optimize heating and cooling, drastically reducing energy use. 2. AI monitoring tools. AI apps can analyze personal energy usage, offering insights to help reduce consumption. These tools monitor energy output and suggest changes to lower electricity bills and carbon emissions. Point 3. Recycling in tech production. Many tech companies are adopting circular economies, recycling old devices into new products. Using recycled materials in manufacturing reduces waste and lowers the carbon footprint of new gadgets. Practical steps. 1. Choose Energy Star products. Look for the Energy Star label when shopping to ensure energy efficient